All I was trying to do was enjoy my sister's funeral, but of course he had to ruin it. All right, yeah, I'll see you later, man. Take it easy. Where the hell are my keys? Hey guys, really sorry to bother you. Can I ask you something real quick? This is kind of awkward, but would you happen to have seen my car keys anywhere?
Wait, what? Dude, we don't even know who you are.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why I expected you to know that. You have a good day.
Okay, see you.
Oh, this is bad. Oh, Dylan, you really dropped the ball here. Oh, God, this is really bad. No, this is really, really bad. Oh, God. Quentin, where are my car keys?
I don't know, it's your keys.
Quentin, where are my keys? Quentin, where are my keys?
I don't know!
Oh, shit, you're right. God, this day's so stressful.